Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you the fuse box location in Toyota Yaris 2009 model. So if you open up the bonnet, and you will see there's a black box on the left hand side. There's a clips in there. Just pull that on one side, pull a little bit, just like that, and it will come off. So this is the first fuse box location under the bonnet, and there's some relays and the fuses there, and there's a fuse pickup tool as well. You can grab one and take it out and check it up if it's working or not. So also there's a diagram in there underneath the cover. I'll show the location of the fuses. Same diagram is exactly same. Fuses and the relays are in there, as you can see, from DOM 10 ampere starting from here, and there's other relays location, everything in under the cover. And just put it back just like that and press it down, it will clip back just like that. So let me show you the one more. So the second fuse box location is under the passenger side dashboard. So let me show you that as well. So if you see underneath in here, there's a cover in there. Just press it upward and then pull it down and it will come off. There's a few hooks in here holding that in place, and you will see underneath in there there's a fuse box in there and some relays as well in there. So if you just pull it down and take the cover up, and you can see there's a fuse box there, and also same exact location and the information for the fuses are in here as well. So you can replace and check which fuse you need to be replaced in there. So it's a bit dark in here underneath. Let me show you one more time. So that's the whole fuse box in there. There's so many different fuses for the different functions, and all the electrical systems connection in here as well. So same as shows in there, there's a few relays and fuses are in there. So after the replacement is easy, just put back the cover and put back this cover. So just like that, everything put it back. So if you like my tutorial video of fuse box location in Toyota Yaris 2009 model, please leave a like for the video, and I will see you in next one. Thank you very much for watching.